Welcome to a storybook castle with a whimsical soul, a 1930s stone retreat complete with its own turret, reimagined for modern living. Step inside to find raisin-drenched dining room walls, a crisp checkerboard tiled butler's pantry, and floor-to-ceiling windows framing tree-lined views. Nestled in the heart of Nashville's creative pulse, every corner, from the toile-papered elevator to the dream-worthy kitchen, tells a story of history and inspiration. This is where the past and present inspire your future. This is 415 Bushnell Street. Nestled in East Nashville's iconic Little Hollywood neighborhood, this home is a storybook castle. Surrounded by unique Spanish Revival-style residences, it stands out with its stone facade, whimsical turret, and arched stone entryway. Only in Little Hollywood could this distinct charm blend so seamlessly with the creative energy of East Nashville and the vibrant pulse of nearby Eastland Avenue. Just below the stone turret, we step through this entry door into an intimate toile-covered entryway framed by brass sconces. The entry leads to this 1930s style parlor with built-in bar and original fireplace, perfect for receiving guests in style. French doors lead us to the rich raisin-colored walls of the dining room. The wavy glass in the restored historic windows adds vintage character, and the natural light softens the dramatic palette. The contemporary chandelier centers the room, balancing the vintage charm with a modern touch. The moment we step into the kitchen, the space opens up, offering a bright and airy contrast to the cozy rooms before it. The kitchen features walnut cabinets that rise to the ceiling, framing gray-veined marble counters and a cream marble island top. You'll find an integrated Bertazzoni refrigerator, an 8-burner gas cooktop with a double oven, a pot filler, and a beadboard accented oven wall beneath an arc stone hood. Tucked through a gently arched opening is the butler's pantry. With a dramatic window wall, marble checkerboard floor, and inset openings showcasing the original stone exterior. Back in the main room, a built-in banquette offers a cozy breakfast nook, while the gas fireplace and beautiful views make the adjoining family room equally inviting. On the deck, we have elevated views over Shelby Bottoms golf course and park. The greenery offers a peaceful backdrop for relaxing and entertaining. The outdoor space blends the tranquility of nature with the vibrant energy of East Nashville. When it's time to retreat, the elevator magically transports us to the primary suite. The suite continues the bright, airy style of the kitchen with endless views of the park. The walls feature subtle shiplap, adding warmth and texture, while the walnut built-in provides both function and charm. A cozy seating area by the windows invites you to relax with a book and a cup of coffee. The home's dreamy aesthetic continues in the primary bath with playful gold light fixtures, a smoky blue tiled shower, and a soaking tub perfectly positioned beneath the windows. Heated marble floors and an expansive custom walk-in closet add the touch of luxury you've been craving. For guests, there are 2 upstairs guest rooms in addition to the 2 downstairs, one currently used as an office. Although every detail in this home is thoughtfully designed, my favorite is the tucked away turret room off the upstairs guest bedroom. With a child-sized entry door and operable windows, it sparks the imagination. This 1930s stone castle is a place where creativity, luxury, and charm come together in perfect harmony. From the cozy nooks to the expansive views, every inch invites you to experience something magical. Whether you're drawn to the whimsy of the turret room, the elegance of the dining room, or the serenity of the primary suite, it offers you a unique blend of history and imagination. This is where your storybook begins. Welcome home. A big thank you to listing agent Sean Sheriotti with Reliant Realty for letting us showcase this stunning storybook home. If you're ready to explore more unique properties, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next tour.